Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren, if you don't already know, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup look with flowers, and it's like kind of I'm doing a spring look. Even though we just got out of February and it's gonna be March like next week, I was like, whatever. I saw daffodils were blooming already, and I was like, I'm just gonna do a flower makeup look. So I have been scrolling through my Instagram feed on my makeup page, and I found this like account. Her name is Annette, I think that's her name, and it's ACC makeup _. She's really talented. But yeah, I was scrolling through makeup, and I scrolled up on one of her photos, and I'm going to do something inspired by this look here. And you can tell how she has like the flower petals on her eye. Well, I'm gonna do mine in yellow because because of the daffodils blooming. So it just reminded me like, oh, I'm just gonna do yellow, and I'm going to put some of my own touch into it, but that's what I'm gonna base my like eye makeup off of, and I think it's really pretty. Here's a close-up of it. It's really pretty. And I was like, yes girl, yes, get it. And so without further ado, let's get into this video. What I'm going to be using today is, you already know probably, I'm going to be using the Morphe x James Charles palette. Like always, best palette to do if you're wanting to do creative looks. I'm going to take the color Spooky in the James Charles palette, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm just using the smudged end. And this is how I'm going to make that like defined crease. And I'm just going to start it right about here. Once I have that defined line on my eye, I'm then going to take the yellow color in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to just go over a little bit above of the black. Use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut my crease in the color Light Sand. And I'm just taking my concealer brush as well from It Cosmetics, and I'm just going to cut the crease. So next I'm going to go again and take that black, and I'm going to outline this V, kind of, it's like it's kind of like a wing, and I'm going to outline that, and it's going to make one of the petals. Okay, so once I have that blended out, I'm then going to fill in my lid with the yellow. And I'm using my Morphe M503 brush. I'm using that same exact yellow in the palette, and I'm just going over top. But I'm not going to like go all the way to the crease. I'm gonna stop so you have a little bit of a fading effect in the eye makeup. So it's like basically in the middle. First eye is finished. I outlined it with eyeliner to make it more defined because I felt like the shadow wasn't working for me. So I did that. I think it looks good. I feel like once I have the other eye done, it'll look better. So yeah. I'll be back, guys. Let me go finish my other eye and we'll finish this look. Okay guys, so I'm back. I finished my eye makeup. I think I'm gonna draw vines on my eye to get more of a flowery look. Yeah. So I have the little vines on my eyes. They're so cute. I like how it's coming to be. I was kind of nervous at first. I was like, I don't know. So I just kept on going. Maybe do some more green around them just to define them a little. Yeah, that looks good. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so cute. Okay. This side's a little more pointier than that side. I don't really care, whatever. It's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my highlight real quick. And what I had done was I highlighted my underneath of it it just so the flowers like kind of pop out a little more. And then I'm going to do my lips. What color do I want on my lipstick? I think I'm just going to do my regular gloss. Lips, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Okay, so this look is complete. I really like how it came out. It looks really cute. Here's the up close of what they look like. I'm gonna do like a little montage after this. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. I really hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. You know, show me some love. And I really like how this look turned out. Let me know how you guys like how it turned out, and give me some ideas on what other makeup looks you want to see. I don't really have a schedule when I'm posting. I'm just posting when I have time. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.